Hi friends, welcome to Education Kaushik. Today we are seeing about Gratefulness poem, about written by Joseph T. Fans. I am telling today full story friends. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share friends. Okay friends, let's go to video.
Gratefulness. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear the sobbing of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some adverse or simple task for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. Thank you. Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to look at the poem by name Gratefulness by Joseph T. Rinaldi. And also, before we go to the poem, we are going to look at the small incident on Sunita, who was badly injured by an accident and her leg was fractured. Again, it was operated upon the broken leg, broken bone, and was joined keeping a steel rod. And she was advised by the doctors to take rest for a month, and she could not move. She was angry that God had been unfair to her. But later, when her friend Anjali met her and consoled, saying that there are many other people who are physically challenged since birth, and Anjali told Sunita to be grateful for the Creator for the things she has. Every human being is blessed with such organs as eyes, ears, lips, and hands. And also, humans have a heart to love and mind that gives them the ability to help others. Today, through this poem, the poet says that one has to be grateful to the Creator for providing all such possessions. He suggests that a good and positive use of the organs and the grace of the Creator be made. Before I read out or recite the poem, Gratefulness, let me explain the paragraphs, what it is trying to say for ourselves. It says that one should be grateful for the eyes that I can see, and also for the organs, for our body, that we are able to do all the activities. And also we should be grateful for the ears that we are hearing, and the sobbing of those who need me near. And sobbing in the sense those who cry out. For them, we should be able to comfort or console them by being near to them. And also, we should be grateful for the lips that we are able to speak, and also words of comfort and peace to all who seek. We should be grateful for those people who seek us in order to get comforted. And also, we should be grateful for our mind that we are able to aid those who need us. And also, we should be grateful for the hands because we are able to do all the tasks. And also, we should be grateful for the ability to always pray in order to get the strength from the Lord to do all the tasks every day. And we should be grateful for one thing, which is above, that was given a heart, because we are able to love all. And we should be grateful for each and everything. There are many people who does not have a proper leg, hands and things, possessions, like etc. But we have everything, and we should be satisfied, content with what we have. We should not blame for what we do not have. And now let me read out the poem, and this is for the memorization. You should by heart. Let me read out. Listen carefully.
And friends, I am explained my full poem. And do not forget to subscribe, like and share friends. Okay friends, bye.